How to earn money with Fiverr. Here are simple 6 steps. Certainly, earning through Fiverr involves creating a profile, showcasing your skills, and providing services to clients. Here are 6 steps to get started. Step 1. Create a Fiverr account. Go to the Fiverr website and sign up for an account. Choose a username and complete your profile with a professional photo and a brief, compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Step 2. Identify your skills and services. Determine the services you can offer on Fiverr. These can range from graphic design and writing to programming, digital marketing, or any other skill you possess. Make sure your services are specific and clearly defined. Clients should know exactly what they can expect when they hire you. Step 3. Set your gig prices. Fiverr allows you to set your own prices for your services. Consider the time and effort required for each task when determining your rates. Start with competitive prices, and as you gain more positive reviews and experience, you can adjust your rates accordingly. Step 4. Create compelling gigs. Each service you offer is called a gig on Fiverr. Create detailed and engaging gig descriptions that clearly explain what you offer, the value you provide, and any relevant experience or expertise you have. Use high-quality images or videos to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Step 5. Optimize your profile for search. Use relevant keywords in your profile and gig descriptions to make it easier for clients to find you through Fiverr's search functionality. Regularly update your profile and gigs to reflect any new skills, experiences, or completed projects. Step 6. Deliver high-quality work and collect reviews. Once you start getting orders, ensure you deliver high-quality work on time. Positive reviews and client satisfaction are crucial for building a good reputation on Fiverr. Communicate effectively with your clients and be open to revisions if necessary. As you accumulate positive reviews, you'll gain credibility and attract more clients to your services. Conclusion. Remember that success on Fiverr often takes time, especially when you're building your reputation. Consistency, professionalism, and a commitment to delivering quality work are key factors in establishing a thriving freelance business on the platform. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.